अच्छा, कास्ट अभी थोड़ी अधूरी है, मेरे को और भी लोगों को स्टेज पे बुलाना है, तो बुला लूं क्या? शुक्रिया। अनुपम जी सर, इफ यू कुड प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज। Neil, Nitin, Mukesh, dapper as always, and in no particular order of reference. दीपक दोबरियाल जी आ जाइए सर स्टेज पे। पप्पी जी कैसे हैं आप? स्वरा जी आप भी आ जाइए स्टेज पे। Just watch that backdrop at the back. Already मेरे पर almost गिर गया था. हाँ? Now I'd like to give all the mics. Yes, all the goodies. No, first you will tell us the experience of coming on board, and then of course I will redirect to Suraj ji. So you get the call, and then you suddenly say, "Oh my God, I'm going to be the Rajshri heroine with Salman Khan." So let's talk about that.
I think it's obviously an amazing. I'm very privileged to have been, and I think everybody in the media except for Salman knows that I've been a huge fan of his since I was like, since a really long time.
Nothing has changed other than that as well.
And nothing has changed. And I don't. He obviously doesn't read my interviews, but I've been a huge fan of his. So I was a bit nervous. Thanks. And so I mean, it was a little intimidating for me to be on this set, but I was also hugely. I was very excited and nervous, and but I never felt that after the first couple of days of working with them because Suraj sir gave me so much love, and I felt so cherished on that set that it didn't like the whole. It was such a huge deal, but it didn't feel like it. I just felt like I belonged there. I felt like I was part of the family. So
Confirm your next one. Huh?
yeah,
So
100%.
tell me something.
Huh.
Is it very scary to lose your temper on a Suraj Barjatia set?
I don't.
Because I'm sure that nobody does.
No. There's one man who's doing it.
Yeah. Nobody lose, but he didn't lose his temper either because I worked with him on an ad shoot. It's completely different. But I think everybody on the set is amazing, and everybody really wanted to be there. So we all really worked hard, and we were happy to be there. So it was the best experience working on the film.
Surajji, everything is so grand, it's so beautiful. Everything works at the box office, and this one will also completely, there's no question about it. But how do you maintain decorum, and how is it always the same for so many years? Salman sir said it himself, not much has changed. The way we're seeing it, not much has changed. It looks all beautiful. But how?
Being grown up only in big families, so you know how to take everyone along, and then you have to manage him, you have to wake him up. And then you have such talent, you have Anupam sir, Neil, Arman. Half the time, Swara, you're not directing them, so they do their own bit. You have to just write a good scene. But when you make a family film, it is family, and family works in huge. You have to, that's what it's all about. It's whether you, हम लोग रामायण पाठ करते हैं, हम भागवत कथा रखते हैं, but you go out for a dinner with the family and see the joy. So the same prasad. So that's what all my films are, and somehow I am able to take it along.
Okay, one big question the world wanted to know, that beautiful electric blue or whatever the color it was of that Sherwani was fantastic. It took everyone's imagination by storm. Did you choose that color, or there other colors that you were thinking of?
I think we chose my choreographers, my DOP.
Right.
We all chose Alvira.
Sir, I have to ask you this. You saw the, I mean, I know sometimes you see stuff like when we also see it. You know, sometimes you see the trailer with us only, and that's the way it works. What was the first reaction that you had when you saw the teaser poster? Then, of course, there's another one that came with you and Sonam, that's there at the back. But is a homecoming, yes. But there's so much. Sorry?
Not when he saw it, he decided.
He decided it. Just my back. So what is this? What is the deal with the teaser poster where it has to come? Why don't we see your face a lot? In Bajrangi, it was your lips and it was that locket. Here, it was your back.
See, in Menapyar Ke, it was this.
He was the first one to do it, by the way.
Prem Ratan Payo.
Not much has changed.
So they've just shifted the camera. I'm
stuff, as he so modestly put it. So coming into this zone and this fabulously grand film, you know, your thoughts, you got Salman sir there, you got Sonam, you got Neil, you got Arman, you got all these powerhouse of acting talent. So how do you experience every day? Is it a challenging thing at all for you anymore?
To answer your first part of the question is that I don't carry the burden of being of my acting. It's the lightest weight on my shoulders. Suraj's first job was given to him by me 31 years back. He was an assistant on the sets of Saransh, and he was standing in the corner being the producer's son, and nobody was giving him work. And I dialogue ki file lekar aao. I've never seen an eager guy to do a job. 31 years later, his eagerness has not changed at all.
Kabile tarif.
I think I personally feel that when you want to purify yourself as a person, you go and do a Rajshri film. It cleanses you not only as an actor, and you were asking whether how does he manage? There is no management. It just happens. हमारे मन में इनके लिए
Kher Saab, Alvira, my sister,
हाँ.
went for all the narrations and the clothing and fittings and everything. She used to come back and she used to say, I have to meet Suraj every 15, 20 days.
Really?
So 15, 20 days, I'm fine with mom, I'm fine with dad, I'm fine with my husband, my children, and then I start fading out. And then I realized, okay, no, this is not working. Where is Suraj Barjatya? I need my drug.
And every member is of his family. Everybody, Kamal Babu and Raj Babu, everybody, his wife, his sisters, everybody is like that. They have stopped making people like that. So I think, it's not the color, it's I think his heart which is in his film that you're not listening to my answer. Hello?
Yes, sir, sorry.
Listen to my answer.
He's thinking of, okay,
You listen to
No,
my
no.
next answer. You'll ask me a question, listen to my, till then
Yeah.
look at me.
I apologize, sir.
No, so I want to tell the media, friends from media that I finished the dubbing today. And I tweeted, and I want to reiterate and say that again, that this is his masterpiece. This is Salman's best film till today, and this is Suraj's best film, and be on the top of it.
High praise and well deserved. Neil, was this a meditation camp for you as well?
Well, I guess so.
Yeah?
Yes, because initially, for the first couple of days, I thought this was it was a set that I was just going on to, and these guys weren't real, because we're so used to, from assistant direction days to acting days, to see a set with so much chaos on it, to going on to a set where the director's so calm. So initially, I thought it was all a big lie, till I realized that no, I am the lie who's come on the set, and this is the fact, this is reality. So yeah, so
That's well done.
yeah.
Though you've tried to break tradition by wearing something not traditional at the event, so it works.
Yeah,
Slightly different, yeah?
just trying.
Right next to you, what a contrast. I love the shoes, love the outfit. ये आपके लिए meditation camp था, sir?
इतने sincere, चीज बोल रहा था मैं सूरज बाबू के बारे में, और जूते ने डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया मेरे को, मतलब कि now मैं बोला कि ये भाई इसका लाइसेंस है कि नहीं पहनने का, ये देखो.
But I don't know whether they can see this. अरमान सर एक बारी पैर ऐसे करो ना. कैसा रहा?
I would actually like to start by saying thank you to Suraj sir, to Salman bhai, for giving me this opportunity. I always wanted to be a part of the Rajshris and Suraj Barjatias since I've seen Maine Pyar Kiya. It's been a pleasure being a part of this. There are no words that I can express. This has been one of the best production houses that I've worked with, the best director that I've worked with, and of course, the best actor right behind. A
And
star.
that's a lot to say because he's worked with his father a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Home
So,
production से
really,
ज़्यादा ये home production है.
I've enjoyed it thoroughly, and I wish that Suraj ji and Rashi Productions gives me a chance every time.
Wonderful.
Plays the villain in the film, and I've had this big struggle to make it poetic and poetic and poetic and poetic.
And then, of course, we come to this end where there's an acting powerhouse here. I love this guy, and I hope that he continues to get so much work. Big round of applause for Deepak Dobriyal.